Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. I wanted to show you these track cutters, which as you can see have snapped off. Now they are used to cut the model rail track. They're really very good, but this one failed miserably. So that takes us to an unboxing, which we're going to be getting right into. Okay, so let's open this. Always well packaged from Amazon, and here it is. It's a Dremel 200 2-speed rotary tool, and it comes with a number of components, and this is going to come in very handy when I go to cut the track when needed. Might have opened it at the wrong end. Doesn't appear to be any logical way of opening this, but let's see if I can pull this out. Okay. So that's a nice, it's well weighted little hanger on it. The cable seems to be long enough. And a box full of tricks. So we have various shaped sanders in here. Grinders, small ones. And this wheel here, hope you can see that. Yeah, this wheel here will easily cut through the track, and there's a variety of sanders, sanding stones, type of elements you would see in any dentist's office. So there's an operating manual here suggesting that it be read before use, which is a good idea. Nice graphics, good explanations. So I'll have a read through that, with descriptions of the various components that came with the Dremel itself. And not really sure what this component is for. It appears to be something to do with the grinder. Maybe a safety cover. Anyway, that's the Dremel 200 2-speed rotary tool with 15 accessories, as you can see here. Nice little package, and this will come in very handy when I go to cut the track. And there's a description of the contents. All these elements are numbered, and you can find the description in the manual. And it's for carving, sculpting, cutting, grinding. So this appears to be a garden tool sharpener. Not really sure how it works, but it looks as if you would put the grinding stone through here somehow, maybe not that one, and you'd put the tool in that slot for sharpening the tools. It's a handy little component. Nice little wrench for locking and unlocking. So it looks like a nice little package for the hobbyist or small jobs you may have about the house. So I've already cut some track and then soldered it on. I only have one pair of hands, so I have to consider safety. But you know, it makes a good sound and a number of revolutions per minute, enough to cut through these tracks cleanly. So it's been a good purchase, and I'll find a myriad of uses. So if you're a hobbyist of any kind and you've got some cutting and grinding to do, consider this. I guess it may be an introductory level Dremel 200. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye for now.